Gold beautifully respected 2020 levels yesterday. We have mentioned very clearly 2018 2020 as a very good support zone, and precisely we have seen the reversal from the same levels. Can we consider this as a reversal? Can we consider gold for a breakout on the upside, or there is a possibility for a further drop? What is going to be our strategy? Profit trading gold today. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. And friends, do like, share, and comment. That's a great motivation. Also, if you have not joined the channel memberships, be a part of the channel memberships and enjoy the benefits. Let's start. We'll look into charts and indicators, and towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy. If you look at the hourly charts, you can see this lower highs and lower lows. It has to now break very important levels 20, 38, 20, 40 levels. Yes, if you see gold staying above, rather let me include 2038, 2042 as a complete stronger resistance zone. Any point of time, gold is staying above these two levels, we can expect that it is trying to reverse, it is trying to rally. So this zone between 2038 and 2042 is going to play a major role. Right now on the hourly charts, if you look at it, is getting stronger resistance here at 2035 itself, and it is not willing to break past by this zone. We will wait for it to break about 2035, 36. See, and then you have to wait for 38, 42 levels to be breached on the upside. Now on the hourly charts, see, it is, look at these two drops. This is the long-term trend line which is coming in from daily charts, but right now it has created two lows which are also beautifully aligned, and it is trying to trade in this bullish zone. Higher lows are seen. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is also in green. It is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Similar observation here is on the 2-hour charts. Also here as well, we can find out higher highs, higher lows. On the downside now, 2030, 2028, which were the supports earlier, are again going to play a major role. Thus, if you see gold trading below 2030, 2028 zone, we can initiate a selling entry again. But with caution, as you can see, there are higher lows which are observed. Now 2020, 2022 zone is what you should watch out for on the downside. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD has just crossed over, trading with little divergence. RSI is staying flat. And on the 3-hour, similar observation is seen. Look at this candle, reversal after the drop, and it is trying to rise. But at the same time, on the upside, see, bullishness got diminished and it is forming lower highs. So right now it is definitely falling shy of a bullish breakout. We have to wait for it to break out beyond this zone at 30, 38 and 42. This is going to be the zone which is going to be a confirmation for reversal. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has just crossed over, trying to rise. RSI is staying flat. And on the 4-hour, similar observation, nothing different. Yes, we can see this. Higher lows are seen, and with that it is trying to rise. Stochastic has retested to the top. MACD is also trying to trade with little bullishness. RSI is flat. And coming to daily, before we look into daily charts and I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing in couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, ping me on Telegram or write an email for details related to the services. And join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and you can also be part of the platform forexfunda.com, where you get all the market related data, and also you can book a call with the experts there if you need any consultation or guidance. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, first of all, look at the long-term trend line. None of the candles so far have closed below this line since last more than 3 months. You can see it is, this trend started to be followed in October, and since then it is beautifully respecting this trend line. This is the first observation. Second observation here is we can see higher lows are observed now again, and the third is, see, the bearishness here, couple of retracement and again a bearish candle. Now remember, this bearish candle comes with a longer tail and a very small body, suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish and it is looking forward to a reversal. Now looking forward to a reversal, it has to break beyond this zone 20, 38, 42 in order to confirm a rise, because following that we can in fact look forward to 2050 levels towards the first target level. And also we know that, see, this is the rise, this is the retracement, and a breakout is what we are waiting for. Right now it is just shying away from delivering a break. Now you can see this is a bullish flag formation, and if you look at, it is trying to consolidate within this zone. the zone is between 2020 to 2060. It is confining its movement within these levels, and now we have to wait for a breakout. And yes, for the day, again, the levels are going to play a major role. And if you look at the 20-50 period moving average, this is also proving out to be a great support. The stochastic is MACD is in green, trying to trade with little divergence. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2036 levels itself, but this is to be traded with extreme caution, because as long as 2042 levels are not breached, we should not be trading gold for a reversal, and hence you have to just put a 20 pips trailing stop loss. 2038, 2040, 2042 should prove out to be a greater resistance. You need to shift your stop losses and keep re-entering if you see trading bullish. That is the first point. Beyond 2042, this time we will look forward to 2046.5 and 2050 as the next targets. 2050 is actually what I will be looking forward to. And on the downside, I'll recommend you to sell at 2030 levels. Just be watchful of 2028 first support, and below that is where little bearishness to be seen. 2024, 25 first support, and then 2018, 2020 the next support levels. Any point of time, gold is staying below 2018 is a sign of bearishness. You have to be trading with caution there. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Stay tuned with the latest updates. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.